out here to the next spot. Lewis and Clark. Just up on the bridge a second ago. It's a little bit frozen except for that stream. There might be a fish in here. This is the setup. Bait caster reel on a little tiny pole. We got the spinner. This is sketchy. It's a little bit muddy too. So we'll see how this works. Oh boy, that is crumbly. I'll catch you up whenever I get over there. Made it to the other side. Man down. That was sketchy. I doubt there's going to be anything over here right now. It's really low. But we made it. It's pretty cool looking. I doubt we'll get anything. There's a lot of snags. There might be some lures though. And I might be able to explore further down than the last time that I was here, which was about 7 months ago. It is extremely low. I can't see anything in here that's really worth shooting for, besides for some minnows. Got back down to the furthest point that I can officially go, besides for over there, but it gets real muddy. Yeah, we found this lawnmower. We can go up there, but that's all private property. Can't really fish that legally. Yeah, it's pretty shallow. I don't think we're gonna catch anything today, so that'll probably wrap it up for today's video. Haven't found anything just because this is a well-known fishing spot, but all the snags are in the water. And this is all uncovered during the summer anyways, so we're not gonna find any. From this rock start down to there, that's usually where it's covered up. But yet people still won't come down here and fish. So that's going to wrap it up for this fishing video.